So one of the great gurus of nature that yoga offers us is the tortoise. So Krishna in the Bhagavad Gītā says, an established yogin draws in his or her sense and action powers like a tortoise draws in its limbs. So the tortoise is very famous for so many reasons. It's one of the most long-lived animals, and one of the reasons is because it breathes slowly. So the tortoise, the guru, reminds us no need to force things. I had the experience once of seeing a tortoise come and lay her eggs on a beach in Sri Lanka. And when she was digging the hole to lay the eggs, she puts forth this vigorous effort. She lays the eggs, she buries them. She takes great care to make the surface smooth. And then slowly, she makes her way back down to the water. But then once she gets in the water, she then swims with such effortlessness. Tortoise shows us there is a time for industry, there is a time for exerting, and there's a time for taking it easier and actually working with the support that life is always offering us.